They're all in line. And they're off. Very even start. Copper Kilgore, Tour of the Cat, Shane Jules, these three right across the track battling for early supremacy. Eternal Look settles down fourth. He's 4 lengths off the pace. And Balanced Attack is the trailer of the 5 as they make their way down to the 5-furlong mark. And still a 3-pronged battle on the front end. Shane Jules the outside. Copper Kilgore down at the rail. And Tour of the Cat in a tough spot between them, third right now. And about a half a length off the pace as they run down to the half. These three have opened up about an 8-length cushion now on Eternal Look, and Balanced Attack will have to make up 11 lengths if he wants to win it. As they make their way into the turn, still Shane Jules outside of Copper Kilgore. Copper Kilgore, Shane Jules, nothing between these two. Tour of the Cat is now drafting in behind the top 2 third. He's 2 lengths off the lead, and the back markers are starting to close in. Eternal Look under the whip, but he's now within 5 lengths of the leaders, and Balanced Attack is trying to get involved as well. They come to the top of the stretch. Did that speed duel do anything to either Copper Kilgore or Shane Jules? Here comes Eternal Look. Eternal Look on the grandstand side is closing at the top 2. Shane Jules, Copper Kilgore, Eternal Look, any one of the three as they come to the 16th pole. Shane Jules, Eternal Look surging on the outside. Eternal Look, Shane Jules, here's the line. That one too tight to Gall. A bob of the heads. Eternal Look or Shane Jules. Copper Kilgore was third.